What's up, it's Jeffrey. As you already know, Xi'an has a lot of noodles available. Today we will try something very special from the Sanyuan County of the city of Xianyang that's called Jinxian Youta, pine cone-like rolled noodles. Let's go and check it out. So legend has it, pine cone-like rolled noodles were invented about 1,400 years ago during the Tang Dynasty. The name that was used at that time was Youta, which means oil tower. So the oil in the name refers to the lard, which is used during the preparation process, and a tower. So if you put the Youta upright, the pine cone-like noodles upright, then you can see the shape of a tower in there. So in order to make the pine cone-like rolled noodles, you have to be able to cut very meticulously. This really requires a great amount of skill. So as you see all these slices here, wow, look at that. It's so beautiful. And it is said that the inventor of these kind of noodles over a period of 40 years tried to teach 100 students how to make this type of noodles. And in the end, in those 40 years, only 9 people were able to make them. And very good to notice that only 1 person was able to make it into a tasty treat. So it really, you can imagine how much time, how much effort that is put into the making of this kind of noodle. So really mind-blowing. So when going in for the taste, you have to be careful how to do it. First, you pick them up with your chopsticks like this, and then you shake, 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 and they become longer and longer. The locals even have a saying that how many times you shake the noodles, you will get something in return. So if you shake once, then you'll get a good health. If you shake twice, then you get into high spirits. I'm starting to feel it already. And if you shake 3 times, then you will be able to make progress in every step of your life. Doesn't that sound awesome? Shake them up, shake, shake, shake. I want all of these. So because of the noodles are steamed, they are very, very soft. And as you can see, maybe also a little bit oily, but not over the top. And together with the noodles, you will get the typical chili oil sauce, which contains chili oil, mashed garlic, and vinegar. So really, really good and really packs a punch. So these noodles are so good that it's even said that during the time of Empress Wheaten, during the Tang Dynasty, an official even lost his rank. So what this official did, he was while going home, riding his horse home after an official meeting, he was struck by a very nice smell. And what the smell were the pine cone-like noodles. So he got off his horse, he bought some pine cone-like rolled noodles, and he started eating them while continuing his way home. And I can totally see why, because they're so super delicious. When this news came out, he was accused of misconduct and he was stripped of his official rank. He unfortunately lost his rank, but the noodles, on the other hand, gained a lot of popularity. The pine cone-like noodles were absolutely delicious. It was so good. And we have come to another end of our trip with Let's Locals. If you loved the video, drop a like and leave a comment below. If you want to discover more about China and its delicacies, welcome to subscribe to our channel.